Hello everyone, I'm Kashish and you're watching Kirikono Feels. I'm back with episode 7 of Sammy's Children's Day. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. And last episode ended with Liu avoiding Chosan because now he knows that Chosan has romantic feelings for him because he kissed Liu when he was asleep, when he thought that he was asleep, but Liu was not asleep. He was awake and now he knows, and now he is in denial kind of, or maybe he is insecure because he knows, or somewhere he feels like that he's not fit for Chosan as a partner, as a life partner. And after Chosan's dad laid out the, what is it, category, right, category or the type he wants Chosan's partner to be, he became really insecure. That's what I think. Like, Lee is very insecure in that way because he definitely feels like Chosan is above him like in way of he's pure, he's so intelligent, smart, that kind of way, and he's just a triad who is broken, who just knows how to fight. So yeah, that's what I feel like. So yes, let's see what happens in this episode. Let's start episode 7. If it's noisy, that's because my fan is on and it's hot, so please bear with me. And my hair are a mess because I just washed them and I cannot control them, and it's too hot to keep them open. Okay, so awkward.
你講先。我本來係要去外地嘅，只不過
He's so awkward.
哦。
What is it? Food? A biscuit?
你要講乜嘢啊？嗰日我錫你嗰陣，你係咪醒咗？
Chosan is so smart. He's so smart.
對唔住。
He knew
我唔應該用你
instantly.
嚟測試我嘅情感認知嘅。就算我有好多困惑，再迷惘，
Oh
再痛苦，
no, oh no, he's
都
diverting.
唔應該佔你便宜。嚇？你有冇
Yeah.
聽講過簡略蒙潛在認知障礙？
Okay, okay, he's deflecting his feelings. What? I don't know if that disorder
我嘅
is
情感認
real.
知喺我成長過程中出現咗偏差，
I don't think so. It is
所以搞
real.
到我好驚啊！我都唔敢同其他人講。
Why is
連我阿爸都
wiping
唔
his
知啊
glasses?
所以嗰日你錫我，只係因
He
為
seems so innocent. Poor Liu. He looks so innocent. It's
我
like
唔想再逃避
really?
啦。醫生話，如果我想改變嘅話， 就要打雄性激素，強制矯正啊！點可以隨便打㗎？係人打嘅咩？亂嚟！但係我都冇其他辦法啦。你唔係想要男人命咩？
He
我
is
知嘅，我幫
evil.
你，兄弟幫你。
Chosan, you little manipulator.
Dream 㗎。到啦。
Yeah, he's not happy what you did in the restaurant. He's traumatized. Thought of losing you.
成塊面都青晒。
He
到陣
has.
時啊，翻嚟同何叔講，跟住我仲要捱我。啱先咁少嘅事啊，驚啊！
Yeah. Not of the gun though.
放
He's
心，
scared that
有你六一哥喺度，
you'll get
冇人
hurt.
夠膽掂你嘅。嗰個肥七嘅死肥佬，我驚都未
Yeah.
驚過佢啊！係驚自己冇命，我驚嘅
your life.
係你每日都要面對呢種人呢種事。
What if someday something actually happens to you? That's what he's
我之
scared
前都
of.
寫劇本，睇咗好多關於黑幫鬥爭嘅書，入邊係有好多威風嘅大佬，但係江湖本身就係一條不歸路，有幾個人可以乜事都冇咁行到最後啊？老實講，一個都冇。輸係輸，現實係現實。現實。
I mean, books come from somewhere at least.
你有邊次唔係死裏逃生？仲有你阿哥同家姐何初生，
Yeah.
講夠未啊？未。其他嘅黑道人士點樣，我可以唔理，但你唔得。我唔想見到一個，更加唔想見到你受傷。
But I don't think so he knows anything else. Like, how is he going to live his life when almost half of his life he has been a triad? Like, what is he gonna do?
好啦，你今日受咗刺激，
It's not easy to just leave.
得啦，以後呢種咁危險嘅地方唔帶你去就係啦。夜啦，你快啲返去休息啦，唔好亂咁飲嘢。 攞住部大哥大，以後唔好俾我揾唔到你。夏綠欣，我自細嘅夢想就係有朝一日帶住阿爸從呢灘腐臭混濁嘅泥水度走出去。
Yeah.
而依家
He's stuck with
我
you.
想帶埋你一齊。
Okay. That's a good positive outlook. I hope you can take him out safely.
老闆，你點咗餸啊？今日咁多大粒嘢。
謝 Sir， 你做咩唔食啊？我請喎。
你做咩請我食？
啊，因為你，我而家係正式嘅調查員。
Okay.
你引我去查華探長嘅莊府，再利用我調查華探長嘅消息，幫你升職。
That's actually smart, yeah. Recorded the conversation.
不愧係精英探長，轉數又快，做嘢又順。
啱啱先升做正式調查，你唔驚咩？
驚啊！我好驚死。但係比起我呢個小小嘅職級，我更加驚謝 Sir 胸懷嘅大志。 睇怕呢一世都冇辦法實現。
嘥我時間。
謝 Sir， 其實你比任何人都清楚，你只可以捉下夏綠欣、沙家俊、肥七呢啲所謂嘅龍。
Yeah, see, that's his name.
好似華探長呢一種人，
Daddy's.
背後嘅勢力唔冧低嘅，你根本連掂都掂唔到佢。
我只要有邊個嘅犯罪證據，我就捉邊個。我有黑社會嘅犯罪證據，我就捉黑社會。我有警察嘅犯罪證據，我就捉警察。
Okay.
華探長嘅證據，你整唔見咗？
你以為嗰幾百萬嘅贓款都算係證據嚟嘅，就可以搞冧一個總警司？就算係冇我，都會有無數嘅人用無數嘅理由，用無數更加隱蔽嘅手段嚟證明佢係俾人冤枉。反而今次我哋兩個聯手打咗華探長一個措手不及，令你摸到佢同黑幫勾結嘅網絡，咁係雙贏。Double win.
Okay, so we have two
詭辯，
conflicting
我會重判。
opinions and directions here
做
in
偽證都係會重
this. Him being the righteous one
你知
and
錄
him
音
being
班
like,
好似冇
I
用
don't know, I care about money and position. I don't
如果你
care
真
about
係
being
錄到嘅，
righteous and
就唔使喺度同我講咁多嘢啦。哦，就算你真係錄到，
he just
你都
needs to survive
整我唔
and
死。
climb up the ladder.
反而我仲可以令華
And
探
he's
長
smart
更
for
加
that.
器重我。對於我嚟講，咁都係好事。
你都幾厚顏無恥嘅。
謝 Sir， 唔該你唔好再扮晒係正義使者，見到你我就想鬧。其實你就係一個冇用嘅警察，
Okay.
你邊個都救唔到，只會
Okay.
令嗰啲相信你嘅人死得更加快。
陸光明，你而家咪想死啊？
謝 Sir， 唔好咁激動啊，謝 Sir。警察鬥毆係違反紀律嘅。
I really
我呢一
want to
份人
know
鍾意
Guangming's
投桃報李。
background.
你幫咗我咁多，我都幫翻你一次。你咪好中意捉黑社會嘅，咁我就幫你將而家風頭最盛嘅夏綠一捉過嚟，好唔好？
No, please stay away from him.
Be my guest。
What is he going to do? Is somebody listening? No.
謝 Sir， 其實你就係一個冇用嘅警察，
And his background as well. Like, who did he get
只會令嗰啲相
killed?
信你嘅人死得更加快。
Did he love someone? Did he had a partner?
恭喜你，正式成為廉政公署嘅警察。
嘉華哥，
OK
你放心，我一定會好似你咁成為一名伸張正義嘅好警察。
加油！
Sorry. Water went down the wrong pipe.
Hello？電話？我屌！靚槍喎，大佬！
大出血喎，呢隻槍唔易揾啊！
買俾何初三㗎。
Gun for him? I don't think so he's
今
going
日
to
帶
like
佢去
it.
等佢大膽啲。個場清好未啊？
乾淨啊，一隻烏蠅都走唔到。
喂，東東，
做咩啊？
你有冇試過俾人擔心？
邊個啊？擔心我啊？想斬我嘅人就有好多。
我初三個仆街仔啊，話佢擔心我喎。哼，我下六優下雙刀啊，需要大學生嚟擔心嘅咩？
You like it though. You like it. Him being worried about you.
冇乜吹算啦，教下佢防身都好啊，費事佢以後擔心。
He's so giddy about it.
Ờ, 有冇需要我再重點同你講下詳細嘅情況
No worries. Let's just
What
focus on-
is he doing here?
I want him. Please have him contact me directly so that we can get started.
阿 Sam，
Hello, I'm Jason. Nice to see you.
Hello Jason, nice to meet you too.
I just got back to Cone, and I'm not familiar with many things. I may need a local guy to help me with some personal stuff.
No.
I think
Sam，
Sam would be a great choice.
No, thank you.
OK Sam，咁呢段時間
No
Jason 就交俾你㗎啦。
OK
OK。
Oh, Guangming. Stay away from him. He's going to use Chosan to get to Luya. Guangming, I liked you.
有冇搞錯啊？商務大哥大俾你攞嚟擺㗎。成棟樓都黑晒㗎啦，仲未收工。
Why are you
Jason, go.
staring at him?
呢份係我哋嘅項目冊。
Sam，你咁有才華，留喺你喺度嘥咗你。頭先佢哋講你係最搏嘅嗰一個，點解？
Don't tell him too much.
我
Don't.
唱，送俾你啊！
He has been waiting for so long.
唔好意思啊。喂？今晚朝九，我哋做咩？今晚我有個重要嘅客要陪，可能去唔到。你話你要陪下？我收線先啦。居然夠膽扱我電話，咩工咁巴閉啊？我遲早搞到你辭職啊！切！我仲未食飯啊！
女朋友
He's whining.
聽落脾氣都好似幾大。
哦，唔係，一個朋友啫。佢好好人嘅。
哦，睇落關係唔簡單，識咗好耐㗎。
我哋繼續啊。
Is he gonna see Chosun and Jason together? Is he going to be jealous?
頂，我中意狗仔。11點34，估計今年嘅畫爭仲有2600隻。
Yeah, they're standing close. Oh, he's not liking it.
我以為你喺度加班，原來你喺呢度同我調情。你誤會啦，我哋喺度做緊嘢。
Sam，佢你朋友。
You're too close, sir.
I'm Jason。
Why are you standing so close to?
你唔好喺度同我講英文啊！收聲 ，shut up， 聽到未啊？你做咩啊？我哋真係做緊嘢啊！我蘇生。你份人成世都係咁，我真係誤會咗啊！對唔住啊 ，Jason。你誤會咗啦。
I didn't actually expect him to punch him.
睇下我點樣收拾你。
Guang Ming, leave them alone. 光明 The man really punched him. That clearly shows that he's so jealous. Like what? Chosun can go and be like, why are you so jealous? What do you feel for me that you punched him? I was just staying there.
我講咁多嘢啊嚇！你講跟我嚟。你唔係有咩性別情感認知障礙嘅咩？我覺得你就係玩緊我，你就係中意男人。大仔呃我，玩我啊！我冇玩你啊！好，計我喎！我揾個女人同你搞，搞完之後你就咩病都冇。我唔使向你證明，我亦都唔會做呢種事，我亦都唔會嚟呢種亂七八呢種地方。呢種地方，而家呢種地方好失禮你咩？呢種地方係咪令你呢個大學生覺得好丟架啊？我就係呢個地方嘅老闆，我日日都喺呢度 happy。既然你睇唔起呢個地方，咁你做咩日日跟住我啊？你唔係呢種人。
Oh, don't say it. Don't.
阿梅啊，老姜換過嚟。
Why is he so scared of her though? Chasan.
養兵
That's
千
just
日，
a woman.
用兵一時。睇到未啊？清純玉女啊！我淨係搞過佢一次咋，俾你呢種貞操男啊啱晒。今日等佢教下你乜嘢叫做男人。我走啦。幾多？呢度係你話嚟啊嚟，話走就走㗎。你當我呢度係公廁啊？
Happiness is something what?
好啦，幾多？
What did the calligraphy say?
呢度係你話嚟啊嚟，話走就走㗎。你當我呢度係公廁啊？
Happiness is something who understands.
Mà lý do
Okay,
nó
someone
buồn
who understands you. Okay.
咁我而家冇叫你走啊嘛。何楚生，我同你講啊嚇，你如果今日唔搞佢，我就即刻剝晒佢啲衫，劈喺條街度餵狗。
Chasan is smart enough to know you're not going to do that. He is definitely smart enough. Like,
你唔會咁做嘅。人嚟，人啊！
兩個，你邊個？
我除晒佢啲衫。
冇問題。嚟，邊個你？過嚟呀！過嚟呀你！
he's creating a whole drama. Yeah.
哥哥仔救我！救咩救啊？啊！嚇死你！哥哥仔救我啊！想唔聽話三對你啊！
This is so funny.
想唔聽話啦！
This is so funny. What is he going to do?
好，我聽你嘅得未啊？
Is he actually? I don't think so. That's not happening, right?
去邊啊？七三哥，七三哥。
喂，
冇明白。
拖埋手仔添啊！呢個僆仔真係談戀愛啊！但係呢個女人佢都咁到？
嘛，你哋做乜鬼嘢啊？翻工啦，講乜鬼嘢啫噃？要你死人頭啊！知唔要啊？翻工啦嚇！嗱佢翻工啊，做咩真係唔入去啊？真真正正啊！
你自己會解釋。聽講你病咗，我過嚟睇下你。哦。
Showing attitude.
你話？
Why are you raising them up? Creating a barrier? Oh, he's so cute.
腳啊！
Lily is so
呢度有
cute.
白粥同皮蛋瘦肉粥，想飲咩啊？仲有呢啲亞麻葉嘅鹹蘿蔔乾，雖然賣相唔係咁好，但係好香嘅，試下。唔要。揾個地方坐啊！腳啊！ 老哥啊，嗰晚對唔住，我唔應該激嬲你。我知道你係為我好。
Chosan is such a good actor.
阿梅佢幾好啊，
Yeah. Make him jealous.
同佢一齊好開心。
That's the plan.
多謝你。哇！
Tell him that you're gonna marry her.
老哥，俾樣嘢你睇啊！咩啊？你睇，玫瑰花，特登為阿梅紋嘅，靚唔靚啊？
你而家係咪傻咗啊？嚇！你拍個拖啫喎，紋咩身啊？紋身係一世嘅事嚟㗎，你知唔知啊？
Wow, he's taking care of him. Chosan.
做咩啊？
你好在乎我。
Yeah, of course he does.
我在乎啲咩啊？我係驚何叔知你紋身打你啊！
阿爸先唔會啊。而且對我嚟講，鍾意一個人係一世嘅事。
Yeah, is he going to clean them?
你話係咪啊？
Why am I blushing? The way Chosan takes care of you is so. He finds him cute too.
下個禮拜有部新戲，要唔要一齊睇啊？
唔去，陪你條女去咯。
好，咁我就同佢睇先咯。好睇嘅話，再同你講啊。
咪啦，我最近忙。
過年嗰陣應該唔忙啊。阿爸佢話要唔要一齊過年？
我初三，我囂騎堂有成班兄弟排住隊等住陪我過年，我去你屋企過年做乜嘢啊？唔好。
Here he is.
喂，新嘅一年啊，要發財啊嚇！
真係估唔到6日，你會抽時間過嚟同我哋一齊過年。
我都想同你哋過年㗎嘛。
仔啊，咪話我話你啦，人哋6日係客，邊有要人哋親自喐手嘅啫，真係。
佢手
His
知
family.
你唔知啊，你個衰仔呢排屋企啲嘢咧越嚟越唔上心，一得閒追女仔喎。唉，我真係唔記得。你話你啊，追女仔咪追女仔咯，帶翻嚟俾阿爸睇下先得㗎。
咁咪就係咧，
我啲酒咧係準備俾我未來新娘飲㗎嘛。
你講得唔錯啊！
6日啊，自己釀嘅糯米酒整翻嚟啦。
唔使啦，唔使啦。
哎呀，試下啦嘛。
糯米酒咧就唔上頭嘅，唔好客氣啊！哎呀，初三你掹我做乜嘢啫？我都未講完。
Dad, get it?
啲咁開嘢，
Get
揾個
it?
新個係咪都帶翻嚟，俾我過下眼先。嚟，
阿爸，
嚟。
That wine definitely tastes bitter.
你要佢飲少啲啦。
飲咗糯米酒先至叫過年㗎嘛，係嘛？冇糯米酒咁邊度算過年啊？飲完個心先會立立㗎嘛。仲話實話未一片，我聽阿飛講啊，帶過佢去鋪頭㗎啦。
哦係啊，新哥，我話你知啊，嗰日帶個女仔過嚟鋪頭食牛雜啊，好靚㗎個女仔， 頭髮長長嗰啲幾正啊！
肥仔
佢哋兩個企埋啊，
肥仔
幾登對啊！
寫啊？寫先。
哦，破臉。
但追女仔嗰陣，我有翻幾套散手喎。
He's going to drink
好恨唔算㗎。
that whole pot.
派翻俾阿嫲你啊！
多個人屋企熱鬧啲嘛。
我諗起我有個肥肥白白嘅孫仔咧，我真係不知幾開心啊！嚟。
Oh, poor Louis. I feel bad for him,
你
kind
哋
of.
先啦，我去揸水。
Oh.
嚟去。
盧一哥，你唔開心啊？冇啊，我走啦。你去邊啊？
Why is the ending here? This is not fair. Oh my god. It was getting good. Episode 7, and my god. Chaosan is so manipulative and such a good actor. But Leah being so kind of dramatic, sulky, whiny, as well as hypocrite. Like, he's gay. He's through and through gay. We know that. Like, that's my gay radar saying that he's gay. He's not bisexual at all. And he has never been straight in his life. And he wants to cure, or maybe he wants that Chaosan like dates a girl instead of a man. Because maybe it gives him like kind of a peace that, okay, he's straight. So it's fine. Like, I love him, but he is straight, so he can never love me back. It's not about me. It's about, his choice, his preference. So that maybe gives him some peace of mind, and it's not like, oh shit, he likes a man, but he doesn't want to be with me because I am, as in Leah, the person is a problem. That's what I think, or maybe I'm looking too deep into it, but that's what I think it is, and that's why he doesn't want him to date a man or be close to Jason. But Jason, oh my god, Guangming, he is going to be a problem, and I don't like it because I like him. I kind of do like him. I hope he's not that of a problem and they don't make him a total villain or something. He can create some problems. I might forgive him, but yeah, a lot happened and I loved it. It was so funny. I love seeing Leah sulky. He's so cute when he's deflecting and being whiny. And my god, when he punched Guangming, love that scene. So yes, that was my reaction to episode 7 of Sammy's Children's Day. If you liked my reaction, you can like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.